Are you tired of your low-paying job? Wouldn't it be nice if you could make $13,000 from the comfort of your own home? Well, in this video, I got the solution for you. There's a new profitable business you can start today with the help of AI. And if you follow me along this process, you can set everything up immediately. But if you think these are empty claims, look at this business that is making a pretty penny selling what I'm about to show you. The best part is that you don't need to hold an inventory, and once this is running, you'll enjoy the benefits of passive income. Of course, not everyone achieves the desired results, but if you do this following all the steps, your chances of succeeding are very high. So let's get started. This business, called Print on Demand, is making thousands for many sellers, and I'm focusing on the wall art niche that sells on Etsy. Don't think this is like any other tutorial out there, because I will share a trick to find the types of prints that are in high demand at the moment. The best part? You don't need to worry about the investment. With this method, you only pay when someone buys your product. The printing company handles all the stock and shipping logistics for you. To get started, you'll need an Etsy shop, which is very easy to create. Head down and select Sell on Etsy and get started. Just fill out the information and head over to Printify, the company that will oversee all the operations. When you're done creating your account, make sure to link it to the Etsy shop. That way, Printify will automatically take care of the order. To do that, simply go to the My New Store tab on Printify and select Add a New Store. Then you'll see the option to connect it to Etsy, and you'll be set up. Now comes the most crucial part of this process, so pay attention because your success depends on this. Many people fail because they create products that no one wants. To avoid that, I'll show you a strategy to always know what will sell. Go to Etsy and place the keyword Top Selling Wall Art on the search bar. What is visible to me is that many of these prints showcase animals in a stylized way. But to be sure these are going to sell well, you can use an app called Allura to check the business statistics. As you can see, they are making lots of sales with these animal portraits. Another way to tell if it will work is by heading over to the Research tab, clicking on the product, and then typing a keyword like cute animals and adding the following categories: digital prints, and art and collectibles. The results show me that this is a product that people are buying. So now that I know what people want, let me teach you how you can make wall art yourself. And don't worry, you won't need to use any complicated programs or learn design skills. You'll be able to achieve a great wall art design using AI in the way I'll show you. Most people will tell you to get royalty-free images for your wall art business, but I highly discourage that practice because there's no value in selling something that anyone can get. With AI, you gain more exclusivity, and the possibilities for creating something beautiful are endless. You can choose the AI image generator you like best, but I personally like Midjourney and Leonardo. For this example, I'll be using Leonardo. You can create a free account or pay for one of their packages to receive some extra perks. To make images, head over to AI Tools. Under it, you'll see the Image Generation button. The way this works is that you need to enter a prompt here to tell the AI what you're looking for, but the trick here is to be as detailed as possible. Otherwise, you'll get some generic images that are not good for wall art. Take some inspiration from my prompt, which will be whimsical and vibrant style of a happy bunny. Use soft pastel colors with a dreamy watercolor-like finish and include expressive eyes and joyful poses. The background should be soft gradients with subtle elements like stars or flowers. As you can see, I was very detailed with the description as I specified that the subject will be a bunny. The style will be a whimsical and vibrant with soft pastel colors with a dreamy watercolor-like finish, plus the context, which is a happy bunny with expressive eyes and joyful poses. Let's generate another image by changing the animal name. The website might take a few seconds to generate the image, but when the process is over, you'll receive an array of good quality images to choose from. I recommend not to rush this part, as AI is not perfect, so it can take some time to get the best image possible. I think this one is good, so I will download it by clicking here. This step is crucial. If you have followed along, let me tell you that you're almost ready to start making sales. Now it's the time to get the art to Printify. To do this, head over to the catalog. Instantly, you'll be shown all the possible items that can get a print. From t-shirts to mugs, they have a wide range of possibilities. But since the purpose of your shop is to sell wall art, you'll want to click on where it says Canvas. There are many options. Feel free to choose the one you prefer, but I will select the Canvas Gallery Wraps. The next step is to click on the Start Designing button. In this canvas, you can take care of all the design details, and it won't take you more than a few minutes. But before getting creative, I recommend you go to this area and set the perfect size for your wall art. There are no rules when it comes to which size you should choose, but as a rule of thumb, it is a good idea to choose a few sizes. Then you can click on the Upload button to select the AI-generated image. In this next step, make sure that the picture fits inside these lines. However, you might notice it doesn't go over the edges. To fix that, I will click on the option that says Print on Sides. Now, I can effortlessly make it fit within the lines. Just make sure to repeat this process if needed for all the different sizes you choose. To see how each size looks, simply click on the sizes you selected here. When you're done tweaking the image, it's a good idea to hit Preview mode to visualize what the final product will look like. The great thing about this part is that Printify offers you different mock-ups that you can use to promote the wall art in your Etsy shop. Then, simply click on Save, and this tab will automatically appear. Here, you can see all the details about your listing, from mock-ups to product descriptions. But I do think you can benefit from changing the title. Think of something more eye-catching, and don't forget to do keyword research for the best results. In my case, I'm going to write Dreamy Watercolor Happy Bunny Art Whimsical Pastel Nursery Decor. You can also customize the description, but for this example, I'll leave it just the way it is. Now, when you scroll down, you can see that Printify has already done some calculations for you by setting the price they think is right and showing you how much your profit will be. Of course, you can change the price to whatever you like, but I suggest setting your price similar to what your competitors are charging. Now, all you need to do is hit the Publish button, and Printify will take care of the rest. If you did everything correctly, your shop should now have the wall art you just created, and you don't have to worry about anything other than getting the money. So what are you waiting for? Get started on this profitable business today. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.